In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to turn off, restart and reset a Apple Watch. To turn off your Apple Watch, long press this power button. And here we can see at the top right corner is the power button. Just tap on that. And here slide this power off switch to the right side. And then your Apple Watch will be turned off. And here's another option to turn off. Press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, open the settings app. In settings app, you have to scroll down and tap on general. Under general settings, scroll down and here you'll find shutdown. Tap on that. And then the same way, tap on this power icon and just slide to this power off switch to the right side and your Apple Watch will be turned off. And now I'll show you how to reset your Apple Watch. To reset your Apple Watch, you have to hold down this power button and the crown at the same time. So press these two buttons and don't release your fingers from these buttons until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Don't release your finger. And as you can see, the Apple logo appears. Now you can remove your fingers and that's how you can go ahead and restart or force restart your Apple Watch. Now let's see how to reset our Apple Watch. From your watch face, press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, open the settings app. In settings app, you have to scroll down and tap on general. Under general settings, scroll down and here you will find this reset option. Tap on reset and we can see erase all content and settings. All you have to need, you can just, if you want to reset all settings, then tap on erase all content. And if you want to reset home screen layout, then just tap on this option. And that's how you can actually turn off, restart and reset our Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.